Welcome to the 29th annual photographic competition of Orange City Photographers Club Nagpur. I, Dr. Matrishwa Bivyas, convener of this competition, along with my co-conveners, Mr. Chetan Joshi, Mr. Rajan Gupta and Mr. Pankaj Gupta, invite you to participate in this Central India's longest running photographic competition. Orange City Photographers Club Nagpur takes pride in telling you that this competition we are organizing every year on the occasion of World Photographic Day, that is 19th of August. And this has been carried out since last 29 years without any break. Thank you for contributing to the success of this competition by sending your beautiful entries to this exhibition and the competition. Competition is now open and the last date of entry is 30th of June 2025. From 17th to 19th of August, we will be having a physical exhibition of all the winning images as well as shortlisted images at Nagpur. This year, images will be judged in 3 different categories. The first is wildlife and nature. Second is travel, street and event photography. And the third is mobile photography. With addition of mobile photography category this year, we have made this competition inclusive for all. Take advantage. If you want to win this competition, and I am sure that everyone entering this competition wants to win it. The first step is that your images should be technically proper and submitted in a proper format. Avoid any rejection, and that is the first step of winning the competition. What are the precautions? Number 1. Do not submit those images which you have already submitted to this competition in previous 28 years. However, you can submit all those images which you have submitted to any other competitions before this or along with this. Number 2, you should not put any watermark or any borders in your image. Number 3, before submitting your images to this competition, read our guidelines carefully and follow it meticulously. And this is very important. Rename each file before submission. How to rename it is given in our guidelines. Follow it, because if you do not rename it properly, it is very much likely that your images may not be seen. So these are some precautions you must take to avoid any rejection. How to maximize your chances of winning the competition? I am having a separate video. You can watch it by clicking here. Link is also in the description. And what you can win? A total of 1,35,000 rupees is to be won across all 3 categories. Now the most important thing, how to enter. All entries need to be submitted through our website link. You will also find this link in the description of this video. All details are mentioned, including categories, prizes and guidelines. I again reiterate that you please read the guidelines carefully before submission. To participate in this competition, you first need to sign up. Please note that you must mention your correct email address, because it is here we will communicate everything regarding this competition. Once you are signed up, sign in using your username and password, which is also sent to your email address. After signing in, you will be redirected to this page where you click on upload images. Click on upload images and you will be asked how many images you want to upload. Say for example, I wish to upload total 5 images across all categories. So I type 5. Automatically the amount which I need to pay will appear. That amount is in multiple of 200 rupees per image. Click on pay now and complete your payment process. Once the payment is done, you will be redirected to the upload page. Mention the category in which you want to upload, and against it choose the image from your folder and upload it. Once all images are chosen and embedded, click on upload image. Once done, All your images can be seen in your dashboard. You may upload more images by again clicking on upload image, or you may come later, sign in and upload your images again. So that is all. I hope that you all will enter your wonderful images in this competition. If you have any query, any doubt, ask me in the comments and I will personally answer each and every query and the question. All the best. Keep exploring.